Introducing the brand new Summer+Lily 3-in-1 Hair Removal Kit. 100% waterproof with 3 hair removal attachments, it has everything you need to keep you looking your best. For the smoothest, ultra-close finish, the multi-directional foil shaver has you covered. The full-body groomer and detailed bikini trimmer allow you to get up close and personal for irritation-free hair removal in those extra sensitive areas. Designed with high-quality ceramic blades and revolutionary skin chill technology, your skin is protected from nicks and cuts. It's also the perfect travel companion with a USB charge option included. When you're done, simply rinse and spray Ladies Guard to protect, clean and extend the life of your blades. Nothing beats Summer+Lily for quick, easy and pain-free hair removal. Available exclusively at Shaver Shop.